What's up, everybody? We're having a good day today.
Yeah, isn't there's rain here, and I think it's the rain. I think the sun went out, and then he was not sleeping anymore.
Yeah, nope, I don't think it is. Hey, so it's me and Jesse. We're about to go and check out our new Memphis 901 FC team. It's a new USL team. We're excited. Join us. Jesse's got his ticket. Jay, yeah, your ticket? Yeah, your ticket? All right.
Cool.
All right, join us. Peace.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my...
Yo, what's up? So right now we just got downtown. We're about to go to the game. Jesse, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna cheer for Memphis 901
Yeah.
FC.
I see.
All right, let's do this.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder.
All right, yo, what's up, everybody? So it's the day after. Me and Jesse had a great time on the soccer game. If you ever get a chance to go, definitely go support your local club. We had a great time at Memphis 901 FC, so we'll see you guys later. Peace.
So I'm wearing my Memphis 901 shirt.
Boom. Peace.
Peace, Magic River. Goodbye.
Thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the